To understand and make use of your 4-letter type code within the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, you need to really think of it more as a key that unlocks a really complex message, a secret message about yourself. Your secret code starts with the extroversion and the introversion and how it impacts your mental processes. So what you extrovert is the aspect of yourself that you're typically going to show the world. And what you introvert is the aspect of yourself that guides that inner processing, your experiences, and your reflections. And the combination of your expression of extroversion and introversion is what gives you your consistent personality or your type. So your 4 mental processes are sensing and intuition, which is how you take in your information. And thinking and feeling is how you make your decisions about the information. And either can be an extroverted or an introverted. So any one of these 4 could be extroverted or introverted. We use all 4 of these processes, no matter what. However, some we're going to use more frequently, others more rarely. We tend to rely on one more often, and we tend to not rely on the other. The extroverted, introverted uses of your mental processes kind of make up that automatic pilot within your type and how you take in information and how you're going to make decisions. Your type dynamics are simply your preferences for using your selected processes externally and internally. And the process that you use more often and most comfortable with is called your dominant function. Now, it's also called a dominant process. Your auxiliary function is the one that's second in importance, and it's going to be a balance between your perception and your judgment and between extroversion and introversion. There is also a tertiary and an inferior process. With your 4-letter code type, so let's say you are an ISTJ. You can identify your primary dynamics by checking this chart. So an ISTJ is going to be dominant, introverted, sensing, but extroverted, thinking. That means what the world sees is actually what is most auxiliary. Take a moment if you need to and just pause the video so that you can look up your own personality type.